White surname meaning in history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English surname that developed as a nickname for someone with white hair or a pale complexion from the Middle English word wit or the Old English word hwīt, meaning white. Alternatively, it can be an English topographic surname referring to someone who lived by a bend of a river or a road, from the Old English word witt, meaning bend, the source name of the place name of Great Whyte in Ramsey in County Huntingdonshire, England. Early bearers included Ordgar Witt in Somerset in 1087 AD, Alwin Wit in Hampshire in 1086, William Witt in York in 1237, Geoffrey Wyte in Canterbury in 1273, Roger Wyte in Sussex in 1273, and Walter Wyte in London in 1284. Noble titles held included the White baronetcy of Blagdon in the County of Northumberland, created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1756 for Sir Matthew Whyte, who we see on the right, and a rather blurry oil painting. And here we see the family estate, Blagdon Hall. The White baronetcy of Tuxford and Wallingwells in the County of Nottingham was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1802 for Sir Thomas Wollaston Whyte. Here we see the family's coat of arms, along with, on the left here, the first baronets and the second baronet, who had the same name. And the baronet was a grandson of Taylor Whyte, born 1701, a British jurist, naturalist, and art collector, and founding governor of the Foundling Hospital in London. And his brother was John Whyte of Wallingwells, an English politician who sat in the House of Commons. And here we see the family estate of Wallingwells Hall, along with Tuxford. Henry Whyte was an Irish-British Army soldier and politician who was raised to the peerage as Baron Annally in 1863. He was the son of Luke Whyte, who we see on the right, an Irish bookseller and lottery operator. And the family estate was Luttrellstown Castle. Landed gentry included Wytte of Durham in County England. Wytte of Durham in England. Wytte of Kellerstane in Midlothian, Scotland. Wytte of Caster in Northamptonshire, England. Wytte of Wateringbury Hall and of Conglow in Kent. Wytte of Gruger and Ardderich in County Dumbarton, Scotland. Wytte of Kilburn in County Cork, Ireland. One of the family estates was Rockfield House, which we see here. Wytte of Charleville. And here we see Henrietta Margaret Whyte, who was a horticulturist and social activist. Wytte of Clune Grange in Leitrim, Ireland. Wytte of Whitehall in County Antrim, Ireland. Wytte of Lough Esk Castle in Donegal, Ireland. Wytte of Gracefield. And here we see the family estate of White House or Bradfield House. Wytte of Mount Sion in County Limerick, Ireland. And lastly, Wytte of Nantenan in County Limerick, Ireland. Knighthoods included Sir Thomas Whyte, born 1492, an English cloth merchant and Lord Mayor of London. Major General Sir Henry Whyte, who died in 1823. Vice Admiral Sir John Chambers Whyte, born around the year 1770, a prominent British Royal Navy officer who engaged during battles in the Napoleonic Wars. General Sir Henry Dalrymple Whyte, born 1820, a British senior army officer. Sir William Arthur Whyte, a British diplomat for, it looks like, ultimately Turkey. In 1886, he was appointed the ambassadorship of Constantinople. General Sir Robert Whyte, born 1827, a British Army officer who became General Commanding Officer of the Eastern District. Sir William Henry Whyte, born 1845, was a prolific British warship designer and chief constructor at the Admiralty, as well as a list of several other knights that we weren't able to find pictures of, including John Wytte, Constable of Dublin Castle, knighted in 1535, John Wytte, Lord Mayor of London, knighted in 1563, Dominic Wytte, Mayor of Limerick, knighted in 1637, Sir Sampson Wytte, Mayor of Oxford in 1661, all the way through Sir Henry Arthur Wytte, knighted in 1898. Notables included Alice Wytte, born 1904, an American film actress. Her career spanned late silent films and early sound films. Thomas Wytte, Bishop of Peterborough from 1685 to 1690. Thomas Wytte, born 1593, an English Roman Catholic priest and scholar, known as a theologian who was censored by the Inquisition. Robert Wytte, born 1645, was an English engraver. So this doesn't look like the picture of an engraver, so perhaps it was mislabeled. John Wytte, born 1748, a property developer and surveyor to the Duke of Portland. Anthony Wytte, born 1782, a British surgeon and fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons in England. Adam Wytte of Benns, born 1760, a merchant and the first provost of Leith. Henry Kirke Wytte, born 1785, a poet and hymn writer. Andrew Wytte, born 1792, of Frederick Lodge in Sunderland and Tunstall Lodge in Durham, the mayor of Sunderland and a member of Parliament. And lastly, John Wytte, born around the year 1756, an Irish surgeon and botanical collector who was associated with New South Wales in Australia. And early settlers included William Wytte, who came to Virginia in 1607. Edward Wytte came to Virginia in 1619. William Wytte came to Massachusetts in 1620. Anthony came in 1634. Andrew Wytte arrived in Maryland in 1634. Peter Wytte came to Newfoundland, Canada in 1676. And George and Abigail Wytte came to North Carolina in 1701. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.